alam kong seller ka sa Orange app. Itong commission fee na to ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanting kailangan mong i-consider kapag nagpa-pricing ka sa Orange e-commerce platform. Ito na ang updated Orange app commission fee sa Philippines. As of January 15, 2026, importante ito dahil kailangan mo talaga siyang i-consider sa pricing mo. Simulan natin. First, sa camera and drones, 8.5%. Mobile gadgets, pagdating sa mobile gadgets, mobile phones, tablets, wearable device, 8.5%. Sa mobile gadgets, accessories, SIM card, walkie-talkie, and others is 9%. Sa computer and accessories, 9%. Sa audio, 9.5%. Sa gaming and console, home appliance, food and beverage, mom and baby is 9.5% po. Pagdating sa beauty, health, pets, automobiles, motorcycle, and spare parts and accessories for vehicle is 10% commission po yan. Pagdating naman po sa books and magazine, hobbies and collection, and home and living, and sport and outdoor is 10.5% commission. Next categories natin, stationery and travel and luggage, pasok rin po yan sa 10.5%. Then sa fashion naman tayo, fashion accessories, men's bags, men's shoes, watches, and women's bag and women's shoes, 10%. At sa clothing naman, baby and kids fashion, men's clothes, mga Muslim fashion, and women clothes is 10.5% po yan. So, per category po, yan po yung commission fee natin sa Orange app. Hindi ito extra cost sa parte talaga siya ng business natin. Pero kung newbie ka sa Orange app, may advantage ka ngayon. Kasi sa unang 90 days mo, 0% commission ka pa as of January. Kaya mas may room ka pa para mag-test ng price, promo, and ng strategy kung paano ka makakabenta.